Hello friends, this is third part of Laravel 5.8 framework, and in this part we will discuss how to insert data into My Sql Table in this Laravel 5.8 version. In previous part, we have already discussed how to fetch data from My Sql Table and display on web page in table format in Laravel 5.8 version. If you have missed it, please check it. For this first we have go to Crud's controller, and here in create method, we have write return statement with view method, and under this we have write create view file. It will load create.blade.php file. Now we have open create.blade.php file, and here we have write at the rate extends directive with file name parent. This directive will inherit content of parent.blade.php file. Below this we have write at the rate section directive with yield directive name main. This directive define the section of parent.blade to PHP file. First we want to close section directive content, so here we have write at the rate end section. Now we have create HTML form, so here we have write form tag, with action is equal to Laravel expression, and between this we have write root method. Under this method we have write crud.store. It will send request to store method of Crud's controller. After this here we have write encryption is equal to multipart /form data for upload image. Under this form, first we have write at the rate CSRF directive in Laravel 5.8 for handle CRRF inject. We have to just write at the rate CSRF direct in place of CSRF token function. After this, for enter first name details, here we have write input type is equal to text. Name is equal to first name. Under this user can enter first name details. Same way for enter last name details, here we have write input type is equal to text, name is equal to last name. Under this tag, user can enter last name details. For select profile image, so here we have write input type is equal to file, name is equal to image. From this tag, user can select profile image. Lastly, for submit form data, here we have write input type is equal to submit, name is equal to add, and value is equal to add. By click on this button, user can submit form data. Now we have go to store method, which will receive insert data request. So here first we want to validate form data. For this here we have write $request variable with validate method. Under this method we have write array with first key first name, with validation rules like required. In second key we have write last name with validation rules like required, and in third key we have write image tag name, with validation rules like required. Selected file must be image, and maximum image size must be 2 MB. So, here we have defined validation rules to all form fields, and it will check all form field must have data, and selected file must be an image. If validation rules not follow, then it will load create view file, and display error on web page. After this we have write, $image variable is equal to, $request variable with file method, and under this we have write file tag name image. Here we have store selected image property under $image variable. Now we want to generate new image name, so here we have write, $new name variable is equal to, PHP random function with, $image variable with. Get client original extension method. This method will return original file extension. This code will generate new image name. For upload image, here we have write, $image variable with move method. This method will move file to a new location. Under this method, we have write public path method. This method will return public folder path, and under this we have write images folder name. In second argument we have write, $new name. This code will upload selected file into images folder of Laravel public folder. After uploading image, now we have moved to insert data into My Sql Table. For this we have write, $form data variable is equal to array, with first key first name, with value get from $request variable with first name object. In second key, last name with value get from $request with last name object, and in third key we have write, image with value get from $new name variable. So this way we have store data in $form data variable, in array format. Now we have write, Crud model class with create method, and under this we have write, $form data variable. This method will insert $form data variable data into Crud table. After inserting data, now we have write, return statement with redirect method, and under this method we have write Crud. It will redirect page to index method of Crud controller. Here we have add with method, with two argument like success, and data added successfully. Here we have store success message under this, success variable. For display success message, we have go to index.blade.php file, and here we have write, at the rate if directive, with condition like $message variable is equal to session class, with get method, and under this method we have write success. This condition will check if the success variable has some data, then it will store under this $message variable. For display success message, here we have write, Laravel expression, and between this we have write $message variable. It will display success message on web page. Now we want to close at the rate if directive, so here we have write at the rate end if directive. Above this we want to make link for go to create page, so here we have write, anchor tag with, href is equal to, Laravel expression, and between this we have write, root method, and between this we have write crud.create. It will make link, which will redirect page to create method of Crud controllers, and in anchor text we have write add. Same for display validation error message, we have go to create.blade.php file, and here we have write at the rate if directive, and under condition we have write $errors variable with any method. This method will check, is there any validation error has occur? If it is true, then it will execute if block of code, and under this we have write, at the rate for each directive. And under condition we have write, $errors variable with all method, as $error variable, here by using all method, it will fetch data from $errors variable, which will be fetched by using $error variable. Under this loop, we have write, Laravel expression, and between this we have write $error variable, it will display validation error on web page. After this we want to close for each directive, so here we have write, at the rate end for each directive. Same way for close, at the rate if directive, here we have write, at the rate end if directive. Now here we want to make one link for go to index page. For this, here we have write, anchor tag with href is equal to, Laravel expression, and between this we have write root method, and between this we have write crud.index. It will make URL, which will redirect page to index method of CRUD controller. Now we have save code, and check output in browser. Friends, here first we have refresh page. After refresh of web page, above table data we can see add button, has been display. By click on this button, it will redirect page to create data page. So, we have click on add button, so page has been redirect to add data page. Here also we can see back button, so we have click on back button. After click on back button, page has been redirect to index method. Now we have again click on add button, and here we can see add data form. First we have direct click on add button. After click on add button, on web page we can see validation error. So, here validation has been working properly. Now we have fill form data. In first name we have write, Maria, and in last name field we have write Smith, and select profile image, and click on add button. After click on add button, page has been redirect to index method, and here we can see success message. So this way we can insert or create data in Laravel 5.8 version. In next part, we will discuss how to view data in Laravel 5.8 framework. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video tutorial.